If it's time to change the columns, also known as sieve beds, in your Inogen Rove 6, you're in the right place. Thanks to Inogen's great design, maintaining your unit is fast and easy. We'll walk you through it step by step. Let's start by removing the old columns. Turn off your device by pressing and holding the power button. If your device is in a carry case, take that off. Take off the battery. Set your device on its side so you can see the underside. The columns can be seen on one side of the device. Unlock the column assembly by pushing the latch button away from the columns. While holding the button open, slide the columns out of the device by pulling on the column pull handle. Completely remove the columns from the device. Both are removed as one piece. Now, it's time to install the new columns. Take a look at your replacement columns. If there's tape on them, take that off. Remove all 4 dust caps from the new column assembly. This is very important. There are 2 dust caps at the top and 2 at the bottom. Make sure there is no dust or debris where the caps were located. Immediately after removing the dust caps, insert the new columns into your device. Don't leave the column ends exposed to open air. Push the columns into the device as far as they'll go. The spring-loaded latch button should fully return to the closed position on its own. That's how you know they're locked in. Finally, you need to let the device system know that the columns have been replaced. To reset the columns through the device, connect the device to the AC power cord and plug into an electrical outlet, but do not power on just yet. The device should remain off. With the device plugged in but still off, press and hold the plus and minus buttons at the same time for 5 seconds. The screen will display the Sieve reset icon. Release the buttons once you see this icon. Now, press the bell button once. The screen will display the Sieve reset success icon with a check mark. Now, press and hold the power button to turn your device back on. That's it! You've successfully changed out the columns on your Inogen Rove 6. If you have any questions, please reach out. Our oxygen experts are ready to help. When you breathe easier, we breathe easier.